Welcome back to the farmstead. Today we are making an old-fashioned spiced tea, sometimes today called friendship tea. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some squares of this nice checkered material to put over my lids. And I'm just going to use one of the lines to cut down and cut me a square. And I'm going to leave enough on this end to trim it as well. Let's see, cut down to there. Alright, I've made me a little tag that tells me what it is and how much to use. It's 2 teaspoons per 8 ounces of hot water. Got some ribbon to tie it on with. We're going to start with instant tea. I use decaffeinated because that's what we drink around here is decaffeinated. I'm going to put in 1 cup. And a smidge. Okay, so there's my 1 cup. We need 2 cups of lemonade mix. Let's keep a big thing of lemonade mix around for the grandkids. So we need 2 cups of that. There we go. And then we need 2 cups of this orange drink mix. This brings back so many memories. I remember when they were taking this to the moon. It was all the rage. 1, 2. Now we're going to do 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. A teaspoon of ground cloves. This what gives it that holiday smell. Cannot mistake that. Okay, I'm gonna mix this all together. Let's get a spatula. Make sure we get it all turned over. I'm going to use these decorative little jars for this. Get 2 of those, and then whatever we have left, we'll put in a 1/2 pint. All right, isn't that pretty? Let's see another one. I'm using a quilted one, a little 1/2 pint jar. Nice. We can divide what's left amongst them. And I may just have a little left for me. Look at that. Perfect. Now, take a piece of ribbon, put my tag on it. piece of one of our squares that we cut. That over. And there we go. And just that easy. With a wonderful gift, family and friends. Maybe even some to keep for ourselves. Thanks for watching. See you next time.